Hello, my name is Sarah, and we are unboxing a Happy Planner Gilmore Girls box, and I am super excited about it. I did not need another planner or anything, but I had to get the Gilmore Girls box. I loved Gilmore Girls, and I watched it repeatedly. Not so much anymore, but here, I did not open it at all yet. Okay. Sip coffee and read books. I love the box. Super cute. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I love this. Let me see if I can not destroy it. Maybe I can use it for something. We got the Life Short, Talk Fast. Okay. So we have sip coffee and read books. And this tells you what all is in there. So we have this Dragonfly In pencil pouch, which is super cute. I think maybe I will switch over to using this stuff in the fall, possibly. But there's that. Has the little Gilmore Girls patch. Hey, buddy. This is Binks. He's curious as well. So, yeah, it's got a nice amount of room for pencils and markers and highlighters. And then we have some stamp pads. So we have This Book Belongs to stamps. This one says Read, Love, and Return to from the Library of, and Sip Coffee, Read Books from the Library of. These are super cute. Then we have some Gilmore Girls highlighters. They all say, Sip Coffee, Read Books, Life Short, Talk Fast, and You're a Book Tease. And we have are these sticky notes or a notebook? This is a little notepad with a gazebo. It says Stars Hollow. And let's see, we have a patch. And the cats are playing with the plastic. So this looks like it's a sticker, which is awesome. Is it a sticker? No, just an embroidered patch. Super cute. And we have some note. Try to get this open. Some bookmarks. Oh, this is thick. This is nice. I like this. So we got Luke's. We have I Live in Two Worlds. One is a world of books. A Rory quote. This is super nice. I really like this. Then we have a Things to Do notepad. Love this. You can snap it right in the planner. This is great. And then we have stickers. And then the planner. So let me get this out of the way. All right, let's see. So for the planner, this is like a nice like corduroy feeling, and then it's got the patchwork on here. This is super cute and I love it. I'm so excited. Okay, so it is undated, which is amazing because I don't need a planner yet. I'm going to use what I have for now, but so we have our name page, a to be read list, love that. Then I live in two worlds. One is a world of books. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love the green. And we have some like flowers and coffee cup, keychain, the gazebo. Then we have check-in. This is the horizontal layout, which I'm usually a vertical layout person, so we'll see how that goes. Then we have, so each month looks like it starts with a to be read list, which I love that. Then this is the next month. Then we're almost there and nowhere near it. All that matters is that we're going. Then we have sip coffee, read books. This one's got pretty flowers and leaves on it. And we have a dragonfly. It's just my favorite time of year. The whole world changes color. What she tackles, she conquers. Then we have Life Short, Talk Fast, and it has books and Chilton and coffee. This is pretty too. Got Stars Hollow. I love this so much. I might have to figure out a way to like start it now. Oh, this is at the end. The reflect and plan. The 3 things to remember, to approve upon, proud of, inspired, learned, and goals for the future. Then we have coffee, and Luke's cup. Then we have people can live 100 years without really living a minute. Isn't that so true? And then you've been Gilmored. And then a note page at the back. And then this is such a nice cover. I love it. I love it when things feel like nice and soft. And this does. Okay, so then for the sticker book, we have some coffee, please. And here, these boxes, so cute. Dragonfly in. My dog is not happy that I locked her out of this room, but she'll get over it. Home is where my books are. What she tackles, she conquers. In my book club era. To do. People can live for 100 years without really living for a minute. We have these ones. I love these. Got a few of these. Then we have coffee. You've been Gilmored. Oh, these are cute. On the schedule, don't forget, get this done. To read. And we have this book belongs to, they're like, these ones are like this stamp pad. Oh, and then you have your book rating, which is so cute, the coffee cups. And then booked all day, time for coffee, reading time, dinner out, and you have some like washi strips. We love this one. We have all of the clear stickers. These are so cute. Love them. We have all the leaves. Some scalloped washi, some coffee cups. We got the takeout containers, books. This is so cute. To Be Read list, your book teas. Stars Hollow, Connecticut. Chilton. And that's it for the... Let's put this over here. This is so cute. I love this. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I got this. So I will have to figure out a way to use this. If not, I may try to wait. We'll see if I can be patient enough. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.